Good morning. How are you guys doing? So we're gonna do a math activity and I'm so excited. So I have my fancy math hat on, my sparkly math thinking cap. So if you have a silly hat, put your math silly hat on. All right, let me get over to my desk and we'll play a game. All right. Okay. Hooray! Hello! All right. So this is what you're going to need. You are going to need things you can stack. So I have Unifix cubes here at the house, but you can get Cheerios or pennies, anything that will stack. Counting is great, but these need to go vertical. They need to go up. You're also going to need some playing cards or some math flashcards. If you have number flashcards, that's even better. And you're going to want 1 through 10 and make your ace your 1 if you have to use these. So what I've done is I've taken a piece of paper and I have written along this way 1 through 10. Let me hold it up a little bit here. In order to make it bigger, I put 2 pieces of copy paper together. You're going to want to have your child write 1 through 10 on there. So you kids write 1 through 10. If you need help, your parents can help you. Okay. Making boxes and then filling in the numbers is probably a little easier. Okay. So we're going to do that. You can also use, if you'd rather, a muffin tin with the paper fillers for the cupcakes. All right, and you're going to write the number inside the paper liner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to go higher, you can. But for this activity, I'm just going to go 1 through 10. This is fun for filling it with things that aren't stackable as well. If you happen to have some plastic pincher, tweezer type things, that's a good activity for fine motor skills, so that they can pinch them and put them in, work on that fine motor skill instead of grabbing. Alright, so we're going to put that off to the side. So why do you need the cards or the numbers? So you are going to draw a number and then do that one, just as another activity to fill in and have fun. So my first number is 8. So I have an 8. So I'm going to stack the 8. Well, I've already done this a little ahead of time to save time. So this is my 8 stack. And let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to stick it right there. Woo! I've got lines in my table. All right. Then you're going to put that one down and draw your next card. And my card is a 2. So I'm going to take my 2 and stack things on 2. So what ideally I want you doing is stacking them as you draw your number. Okay, so you're going to go through all your numbers. So I have all of mine ready, almost all of mine ready. All right, so we got to check Miss Molly, make sure she's got it right. One way you're going to be able to tell is the bigger the number, the more you have in your pile. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't have 9 and 10. All right, so let's do that. So let's see. And if you're using food to do this, don't eat all your supplies until after your activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What am I going for? 9, 8. How many more do I need? 1 more, 9. And I can tell for sure because my 9 tower is taller than my 8 tower, right? Okay, and then I would do 10. Okay, so once you have all of your things stacked up, we're going to play a math game. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. All right, so I want to know what 3 plus 1 is. So I'm going to take my 1, I'm going to stack it on top of my 3, and what is it the same size as? It's the same size as 4. So let's count them and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, but I bet you guys knew that. You're so smart. Okay, so let's do it this way. Let's see. Let's do this one. Let's do 6. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add, let's add 3. All right, let's add 3 to it. So here's my 3s. Okay, you ready? I'm going to put that up there, and then we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. All right, you ready? That's awesome. And another way you can tell for sure that you counted correctly is you can take your tower and you can put it next to this one. Nope, still more than 7. Nope, still more than 8, because look, they're not the same height. There's not the same amount. But look, when I get to 9, what's the deal? They're the same height, the same number, okay? So you know 6 plus 3 is 9. Now what if I wanted to take stuff away? Alright, so let's do 5. If you have Unifix cubes, it would be ideal if they were all the same color in each thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's pretend these are apples, and I've eaten 1 apple. So I take that away, and now how many do I have left? I have 4 apples left, and you can count that or double check your math by seeing if they're the same height. And they are, okay, because if you guessed it was 3, nope, there's still more. All right, so we have, we have 4, and so I'm going to put it back so we have the right amount, so 5. All right, so that is what I want you to do with this math activity, and have fun with it. See how big your stacks can get. Maybe you have little blocks at home, that would be perfect. And see how you can make your small ones bigger by adding, and you make your tall ones smaller by subtracting, because what we do is we take away and they get smaller, and we add to them and they get bigger. All right, now when you're done, I want you to take a picture and send it to me. I want to see what you used for your stacking, because it's all different. Everybody's houses are going to have different things now. We're not all using the same stuff. So send Miss Molly a picture of what you used to stack. All right, have fun. Remember, I'm a child of God. I'm smart. I am kind, and I can do it. I miss you guys. Mwah!